Dear students, welcome to the Git lab. So today I am going to demonstrate how to use branches and how to merge branches, single or multiple branches into master branch, and show them practically in demo. So I'll go to here, GitHub account. So already I am signed in. Go to here and click on repository to create a new repo. So here I will click on the in order to create a new repo. So I would So I'll already typed in the name. I will select this one, merge branch text files 2025 as a repo name. You can give any name as for your convenience. So I will choose the visibility public, anyone can access. I'll add readme file. I'll ignore the git ignore file and add license. So git is a open source which is freely available under the GNU General Public License. Whereas GitHub is a online hosting cloud-based hosting service which is owned by Microsoft. So I'll click on create repository. So repo will be created. Now I will go to my local workspace here. So I will right click here, open with code. So it opens Visual VS Code in this. So I'll close the previous created files. Don't save. Don't save. So coming here, I'll go to terminal. Click on new terminal. So I'll copy from here to download the remote repo, empty repo. Control C and Control V. I'll go here and type it git clone followed by the URL. Done. So it's downloading the empty remote repo. So I'll get into this directory. For that I'll copy paste from here. Control C and Control V. So I'm inside the directory. Now we'll create a master branch. This is the master branch. So I'll create a new file named m1.txt. So I'll write some message here. Here. This is a main file. File created main branch. Yes, so it will go away. I think it's outside the directory. You have to bring it inside the merged branch text file. Yes, click on move. Now clearly you can see. Yes, it's inside the merge branch text files 2025 directly. Earlier it was outside. I had created outside. So clearly you can see U as it's showing is as a unstaged file. So in order to so steps are same done in git basic commands video. Git init. So is already initialized. Git next step is you have to bring it into staging area. For that you have to make use of git add -e. Before that I will check the status. Git status. If the file m1.txt comes in red color, it means it has not been added to the staging area and it is untracked file. That symbol U indicates that it is an untracked file. That U here. Git status so red color clearly means it is in unstaged area. So to bring it in the staging area, to add git add -a to add all the files into the staging area. So in order to transfer the file from staging area to the local repo, you have to make use of git commit. Git commit -m Give a descriptive message created in dot text main branch main branch. So it has been added to local host. So if you want to check the history of commits, you can make use of git log. Clearly, you can see two histories, commit history are present. One is that at latest commit is history will be displayed at the topmost. So latest commit I had done. I had given descriptive message created m1.txt in the main branch. It will display the date and along with the timings. So who created it? Second and older commit was I had done some changes in README. That is initial commit. So now I'll create a branch. So branch, coming to branch, you'll understand what is branch. Branch is nothing but basically isolated line of development. Branch is useful for parallel development. Branch is version of a repository that diverges from the main working project. Branches are pointers to snapshot of your changes. Branches are used to create new features, new tasks, or fix bugs, or test new ideas without disturbing the stability of the main code. So, what is merging? So, basically, merging is a process of combining changes made in one branch or multiple branches into the local repo or remote repo. So, why Git branches are essential? They allow workers to work on different parts of code base simultaneously without interfering with each other's everyday development process. Git branches allow developers to collaborate on code changes and change effectively. And remember that branches lets you to work on different parts of the project. And fix bug, test new ideas, create new features without interfering with the main branch. Whenever you create a new branch, so new branch creates a new copy of a main repo is made after split off from the original path. And you are free to do any modification without making any changes to original main branch. So now syntax, I'll type the syntax for creating a new branch. So in order to create a branch, git branch new branch branch one. I'll type it. I'll type it as git branch to list the number of branches or number of branches. So clearly you can see I'm in main branch database in green and new branch one has been created. So in order to get into that branch, you have to type git checkout checkout followed by the branch name. New branch. Automatically, when you create a new branch, the whatever the source code present in the main branch will be copied to the newly created branch. So m1.text I had created in the main or master branch. Entire thing will be copied to the newly created branch. Here you can do whatever the modifications you want, create new functionality or fix the bug without affecting the main branch. So in that case, the stability of the code will be maintained in the main branch. So main branch source code will not be affected. This line, this line is added in new branch. New branch. I will save it, and then it is untracked. It has shows m that is been modified, and I will add another file nb.txt. nb.txt. So I type here one message. This file nb dot text created a new branch, new branch, new branch one. Well, I will save it. So we'll come to here to check the status of the tracking files, which files are tracked or not. So git status. If it appears in red color, that means it has not been added to staging area. Git has not tracked these files. Clearly, you can see it is in red color. Both files are in red color. It means it has not been added to staging area. In order to add to staging area, you can make yourself these commands. Git add dot dot means it will add all the files into the staging area, or you can make use of minus. Both are same. Leave it here. So now we can check the status. The files are tracked. Git status. Clearly, you can see these two files are in green color. It means it has been added to staging area. Now, in order to bring to files from staging area to local repo, we will make use of git commit. Git commit minus m followed by created nb1 dot text and modified nb m1 dot text, which was created in main branch. So I'll give the message. So this indicates that these two files are added to the local repo. So if you want, you can type here git branch to list the number of branches. That is main branch and new branch one. If you're interested, you can create another branch. So for that, I'll use uh, git checkout -b -b new branch. So here this command does two things. First, it automatically creates new branch 2 and directly switches to the new branch 2. It does two operations. So clearly you can see the message switch to new branch 2. Now I am in new branch 2. So git not check it, confirm it, we type git branch. So new branch 2. So clearly you can see new branch 2, I am in new branch 2. Create a file here nb2 nb2.text nb2.text. So this file this file is created in new branch 2. Save it. So I'll bring it into staging area. For that I'll use git add. So before that I will check the status. So nb2.text needs to be added to the staging area. So I'll make it as git add dot not bring this file into staging area. It will add all the files into the staging area. Now I'll commit to I'll make use of git commit in order to save the files into local repo. Commit -m created nb2 dot text file new branch. So type enter. So file has been saved in local repo. So I will now switch to the main branch. Git checkout check out me. So clearly you can see. So only m1.txt file I had already created. So we can see NB1 and NB2 got disappeared. This means NB1 was meant for specific task. Only NB1 was specific task I created in new branch 1, and NB2 was uh, another file which I created in new branch 2. So in new branch 1 I created nb1.text. So in new branch 2 I created nb2.text. So it means that each branch can be meant for task, specific task. So I will check which branch I am. For that I will type git branch. So clearly I can see here I am in main branch. So merging is a process of combining the changes made in one or two branches or multiple branches into main branch. So for that I have to make use of merge git merge new branch one. So automatically whatever the task I performed files will be transferred from new branch to the main branch. Clearly you can see here mb1.txt file was transferred from new branch 1 to main branch. So similarly you can merge another branch, that is git merge branch 2. So clearly you can see the three files. m1.txt I was created in main branch, nb1.txt was created in the new branch 1, nb2.txt was created in the new branch 2. So each branch you created is meant for performing specific task. So later they can be merged into main branch after performing operations. So I'll make modification in readme files. This sentence, this line added in local repo. Press Ctrl S, the white circle will disappear. Now I'll bring it into staging area. I'll check the status whether it is in staging area. Its status, it shows only readme is not in staging area. So I'll make use of git and -a. Now I will save the entire these files into local repo. For that I have to make use of git commit merged and give message merged new branch 1 and new branch 2 into main. So click enter. So I have saved all the files in the local repo. It's now ready to be pushed into the remote repo. So I'll make use of git log. So it shows the history of commits I have done. Clearly you can see list of commits I have done. 2 commits I have done. It will show the history of commits. I created nb2.text in new branch 1 and merged. This is the latest commit I have done. This one. After that, you can make another command. You can make use of git log one line. One line. To show the commit history in one line. So you can see here. Clearly you can see latest commit appears at the top most. So latest commit I done the message I given there. I merged new branch and new branch 2 into main. After that comes I had created the new branch. So I had given the committed message, created nv2.text in the new branch. After that comes created nv1.text. I had created and modified and modified the main file. So finally, I'll push the main branch into the uh, local repo into the remote. For that, I'll make use of git git remote set URL followed by HTTPS followed by the two forward slash. Then you have to generate a token here. This token I had shown you how to generate a token in basic git commands. So go to here and come check for the developer settings. Once you're here, go to the developer settings, which is the last option here. Click on it. Click on personal access token. Select tokens classic. So click on generate new token. Generate new token. Second option. So give the token name as um, merge merge brand merge token. Give the expiration date. I'll give it as 90 days and check. Make sure that you check all the checkboxes. Take care. Make sure that all the checkboxes are checked. Commit and click on generate token. Be sure to copy this token ID to some separate file. If it gets refreshed, the file gets refreshed, the token will be disappear. So come to here. So this is the syntax to sync remote repo with a local repo. Git remote set URL. Sorry guys, I missed one sentence here. One word. Origin. And your use of this HTTPS followed by paste this token ID. Paste it followed by add git hub. You should be careful in spelling mistake. Git spelling mistake should not happen. Otherwise, it will not be checked in. Followed by I'll copy the username and repo name from the GitHub. Go to here. Click on the repository. Clicking on this. So I'll copy it. So I'll copy this and paste it here. So clearly, I will repeat it once again. So in order to register sync remote repo with the local repo, you have to make use of git remote set URL set hyphen URL followed by origin followed by HTTPS, then followed by the token ID you have generated followed by at github.com, followed by the GitHub username. That is mine is Navinas NVN, followed by the repo name. After that, I will press enter. If there is no error, it will return like this. So now you are ready to push. You should find out which branch you are in, whether you are in master branch or in main branch. Both are same, but sometimes it will take it as master and sometimes it will take it as main. So now check the branch name, branch. So it's main. So it was master, then you have to make use of git push origin master. Otherwise, you have to make use of git origin push origin main. So we'll go to the GitHub account and we'll refresh the page. So clearly you can see the files have been checked in. So successfully we have successfully so in this video we have successfully created multiple branches, that is two branches. In new branch 1 we created nb1.text, and in new branch 2 we created nb2.text, and we successfully merged both branches, that is new branch 1 and new branch 2, into main branch, and then we successfully pushed the local repo to the remote repo. So clearly you can see the history of commits here. Initially commit, then latest, this was the latest commit, and this was the commit made in main branch. Then this message this commit history was done in new branch 1, and this one was done in new branch 2. So that's it guys, this is the uh, uh, end of the concept of branching and merging in GitHub. So I'll see you in next video. Thank you for listening.